Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to find your Bybit wallet address. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, you have to open the Google Play Store or Apple Store. Search Bybit in the search bar of the Play Store or App Store. Download the app, and after downloading, open the Bybit app. Make sure to log into your Bybit account first by providing your credentials. Go to Assets located on the bottom menu bar of the screen. You will see different cryptocurrencies with their prices. Tap on the deposit option from the provided option. Select the payment method like deposit crypto from the pop-up menu. Select a crypto like BTC from the list. Choose the chain type from the pop-up. The notice box will appear and tap on OK. You will see the QR code and link to the address to deposit. You can copy the address by tapping the copy address option. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.